Hey everyone, I'm Deborah Henry hosting the Frédérique Constant Epoch Times Gala dinner.
I love Frédérique Constant.
Hi, Zamatia here, and I love Frédérique Constant.
I love Frédérique Constant.
I love Frédérique Constant.
Hey, I'm Sandra Uy, and I love Frédérique Constant.
I love Frédérique Constant.
It is a great step for us to establish our company here in Kuala Lumpur, and in the rest of the months, years, we will show you what kind of effort we will invest here.
If we want to make a success also in Malaysia and Southeast Asia, doing the training, having contacts with individual customers, doing the after-sales service, and then start a proper advertising campaign in the magazines, newspapers, events like tonight and more to come, and really do a dedicated long-term marketing activity.
Please put your hands together for Frédérique Constant's 2013 Basel collection.
Thank you for being here today. Thank you the media, the press, our VIP retailers for being here at this opening party in Kuala Lumpur. We really appreciate your support for Frédérique Constant, and we're looking forward to work together for many years in the future. Thank you very much.